So already primed my face and I put moisturizer already. For now, we are going to do the easiest way to get a like cat eye, something like that. So I'm using this tape and I'm just going to place it to my outer corner, just like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, just like that. There we go. Focus on this a little bit, but a little bit higher. Okay. Then I am going to put a liquid eye primer to my eyelid. Blend it with my hand. Just like that. Also the other side. There I go. And then I'm going to my palette. Going to get a blending brush. I'm just going to set the eyes. So the primer, don't move, and then you have basically your what do you call this? I forgot what is it called. Yeah, there you go. Transition shade. See? Just like that. Oh, just letting you know, guys, I don't have any foundation yet. Then I am going to get a very, I think, brownish or orangey, I don't know. See, we are going to take this shade and put it all over to my lid. To my lid, just like that. Ow! I broke my eye. Okay, so I did put my transition shade already, and the other shade. We are going to move on with this bhcosmetics Smoky Eye Palette. Then for this makeup eye look, I am going to get this red hot shade right here, and I'm going to pack that all over to my lid. Just like that. See that red? Okay, so after that we are going back to blending brush. So I'm using this side of the brush and just blend so we don't have any harsh lines, just like that. Just keep on blending. Okay, so when we're done blending that, I am going to get the shade right here, like a very orange tone, brownish orange tone. Then I'm going to put that to my lid, to my crease, and just blend it. Just like that. When everything is blended with that orange color, I always say orange, like color instead of shade, I am going to get a small angled brush like this and get a very dark shade like black, just not shimmery black, just any matte black. Then I am going to get that just like a eye wing, just like that. No. Just keep it all the way to the end. There you go. But instead of leaving that eye wing, I am going to smudge it with my Where's my other brush? Where is this thing? So I am going to smudge it with this kind of brush. Smudge. There you go. You see that? Okay, so I'm done with that. With that little faded irene. Let's see. Then I'm going to put a liquid eyeliner on top of that. Where's my liquid eyeliner? There you go. So I'm using this tattoo liner from Kat Von D. So I'm going to do this only on the wing part, just to darken up that wing a little bit. But I'm not going to do the entire thing, just the wing part. Just like that. Okay, so we're done with the eye wing. I am going to go back to my red shade and use a setting spray. Get that red shade, make it a little wet. Then work it with the upper side, just like that. There you go. I'm not going to bring that all the way to the inner corner, just like on the top of this eyeline. Just like that. Then I'm going to blend it a little so we don't have any harsh lines. Just blend it. I'm going to get a more precise brush to blend, because okay, so we are going to get a more precise brush like this and just blend it. You know, I'm gonna add more of the orangey tone just to give a little pop. There we go. Okay, so we're done with that. And then I'm going to take up this tape. There I go. See that? Let me sumiginis. There you go. Okay, and then I am just going to clean up my under eye, the edges. So that. There you go. Then I am going to get a very small bullet brush, this kind of brush, and then I'm going to do the same pattern on the lower lash line. I am going to get this red, okay, let me show it to you guys. So I'm going to get this red shade and put it all the way to my lower lash line. Very close to my lash line. Very, very close. Okay, so we are not done with the eye look yet, but I am just going to do the rest of my face and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I'm done doing the rest of my face except for my lipstick, and yeah, all the products that I use for my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it to the down to the description box. So we are not done with the eye look yet, so we are going back to the what do you call this, white shade. Then I'm going to put it to my brow bone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the white plain shade, matte shade, white color, white shade. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put that to my brow bone, just to make it intense, just like that. I'm not gonna put like a highlighter shimmery thing on the brow bone, just like that. Okay, then we are also not done with the lower lash line. So same bullet brush that I used earlier with the red shade, I am going back to this orange shade right here. Just fill that brush and then also put that to my lower lash line, just like that. On the other side also. But I am going back one more time to that red shade. One more time to that red shade and put it again. And make sure everything is connected, just like that. Then I'm going to get a small brush like this, and I'm going to get this light shade shimmer right here. I'm going to put that to the inner corner. Just like that. There you go. Then I'm going to get a black eyeliner and put it to my waterline, lower waterline, just like that. Then I'm going to get a angle brush again and carefully smudge it very close to the lower lash line also. Not too low, just very close. Just like that. Also to the other side. Ow! Okay. So if you messed up, just clean it later. We're gonna clean that later. Okay, so just like that. Then I am going to, here goes the finished look, guys. Hope you guys like it, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.